Welcome to our fitness channel, where we provide tips and insights on how to create a well-rounded daily workout routine. Our conversations cover various aspects of fitness, including warm-ups, mobility and flexibility, rest and recovery, and nutrition and hydration. In our discussions, we delve into the importance of warming up before exercising and how it can reduce the risk of injury. We also cover the benefits of improving mobility and flexibility through exercises such as yoga, tai chi, and resistance band stretching. Additionally, we emphasize the crucial role that rest and recovery play in muscle growth and the prevention of burnout. We also offer advice on proper nutrition and hydration to support your fitness goals. Our channel provides a comprehensive guide for beginners and intermediate-level individuals who are looking to develop a consistent and effective fitness regimen. Whether you are new to fitness or looking to level up your workout routine, our conversations offer practical tips and resources to help you achieve your fitness goals. Join us on this fitness journey and learn how to build a healthy lifestyle through daily workout routines that prioritize safety, efficiency, and effectiveness. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell to get updated with our latest fitness conversations.